Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to enable camera access on Instagram so you can start creating stories, reels, and more without any issues. So let's get into it. First, go to your phone's settings. Now locate the button called Apps and Notifications and simply tap on it. Then tap on search icon located at the top right corner of the screen and search for Instagram. Tap on Permissions. Scroll down and locate the option called Camera and tap on it. Choose Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. Now Instagram can use your camera when needed. And there you go. You're all set to create stories, record reels, and enjoy the full experience of Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful how-tos. And drop a comment if you have any other Instagram questions. Thanks for watching.